Writing a Bank of America check correctly requires filling out several key fields in the proper format. Each field serves a specific purpose and must be completed accurately to ensure your payment processes successfully. The date field is your starting point. Always write the current date or a future date if you need to post-date the check. Use either MMDDYYY format or spell out the month completely. Never backdate a check, as this can cause legal and financial complications. The date you write determines when the check can be processed by the bank. The pay to the order of line requires the recipient's full legal name or exact business name. Write clearly and avoid abbreviations unless they are commonly accepted. The numerical amount box requires the dollar amount written in numbers. Place the amount as far to the left as possible and use a decimal point for cents, such as 125.50. The written amount line requires you to spell out the dollar amount in words. Write cents as a fraction over 100, such as and 5100. Start at the far left of the line. Fill any remaining space on both amount lines with a line to prevent tampering. This security measure helps protect against check fraud and unauthorized alterations. Finally, sign your legal signature on the signature line using the same pen you used for the rest of the check. Your signature must match the signature on file with Bank of America. These key fields form the foundation of a properly completed Bank of America check. Accurate completion of each field ensures your payment processes smoothly and securely. The memo line appears at the bottom left of your check. While optional, it's highly recommended for record-keeping purposes. Use the memo line to include account numbers, invoice numbers, or the payment purpose. This information helps with tax preparation and expense tracking throughout the year. Now let's examine check endorsements, which appear on the back of your check. When you receive a check, you must endorse it on the back before depositing or cashing. There are three main types of endorsements. A blank endorsement is the simplest type. You simply sign your name on the back of the check. This makes the check payable to anyone who has it. A restrictive endorsement adds for deposit only above your signature. This is the safest option as it prevents anyone else from cashing the check. A special endorsement allows you to transfer the check to another person. Write "pay to the order of," followed by their name, then sign below. Bank of America offers mobile check deposit through their app, allowing you to deposit checks by taking photos. Proper endorsement and check writing procedures help prevent common fraud attempts.